any Yura Alban Sumani Kingsford Babin Nwe and impediful dear Cosun.
Anyway,
for aha Ghana SMTVGH, message like, comment, subscribing, then no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you be notified. Busham for person fa konya we na minda munyina ase say with a kind of appeal aye say mumboa ye na yefa sustain studio no mumbebre get in touch with encouraging words. Some of you get in touch and I'm sending you baby say yefa and all those things. But say minda mwase. We are so grateful. Ghana Sem will not be Ghana Sem without you. Iti yeda wase. Eda munyina ase. Na yenko ene asem no swe. Ato force. Hey, Ato. Hey, Ato. Ato, is that you? Hey, Ato. Ato force na sema samba biom. Yenim say, in governance, and I say, government biama, bain biamuno, two positions are very important. Baku die, ewa mranemu, our law, say, SSA woho, and we are Office of the Attorney General. Okay? Now, aside the Office of the Attorney General, no, another office are very, very, very important. Office of the Finance Minister. In fact, ufa ministries even in order, most important to others, Finance Ministry will be the topmost. Because any engine, any powerhouse, where everything emanates from. And that ministry has been given to none other than Ato Forsen. Ato Forsen, the name na jinsena obe manipulated dollar if CD figures, or the sika foreign reserves over 6 billion US dollars. Kufuado jatu hono, or the nyina ko 2 forests mo. From that, omsa say sikabi free gold board or say gold sales almost 10 billion US dollars. And also, or the akoshe forest mo. Say no cresses can nina na omukoshe forest mo. You and I were not there. But that is what they are making us, attempting to make us believe. Now, you have concentrated so much on just one aspect of a economy, forgetting, say, that is not the sole, that's not how a country should run. Country, is a human body. You have the arms, you have the limbs, you have the stomach, you have your abdomen, nose, and everything. And if you feed just one part of the body and starve the others, you will fall sick. And that is what is happening right now with the way Ato Forsen is managing the economy. What do you do now? Forex so exchange rate no so. Now you say Ato is forcing. Now Ato are forcing. Say wow colleagues. And colleagues are more parliament. MPs. Any former MPs krano udi omuka. And they say obi ogana ha abaino at endinika. Ebia jumo public sector. I doubt. Because the MP simple. End of service benefits, ESB. That is due them. You say I to forcing airboard just scale with them. And now see Mukona Kotina committee we meeting also we multinational mu approve in this kind of bremo and all. They say ne odi ase odi even MPs almost finance ministry hona we say otiano as all the blackmail MPs no. They say one Kotina committee we so when dey ade we to ma me fast kanu mamu. And they are sitting members of parliament. Ebi on one colleagues so some of them omudi omasika omubotom sika eko executive contracts bi ewo omu constituency wait say abambe tu omuka till ene aminu wakasa no sika no nyamba ya and omanu say just 1 year na omanu ye broke to the extent say muntimi tu cocoa farmers ka muntimi tu civil servants ka muntimi tu nurses ka muntimi tu na aden eskan fine sika mujide biani taxes any all those things investment ni business aban no sika no afine one etna sika no so because says can't mean Yirasa, Anna. But my ministers are too forcing the Otimias Kachani or Chani. John Mahama, His Excellency, Otimias Kachani salary, on one salary. And Tiscano, Scabe Brebea, Akufuado, Nidota Mamudu Bamia, Ejaima or Maino. Sikabe Brebea, ye consolidated accounts mono. Sikani in Alpha here, and Nejor Mahama na by Omudi Ubiaka. Nyama bi se on. Enti na Ayɛka say about to obian ewo suswanso. Every election has the consequences. And sometimes because of the euphoria during the election period, you don't think and consider say the choice you are making any repercussions 1, 2, 3 or 4. And that's what we are seeing. Let me remind you, so with my donations, my number screen also. MTN number with me send them so that we can use it. Now the upload studio equipment in Yima in the third data so the conversation is happening as ongoing anyway. I Ghana MTVGH. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Yura Alban Sumani Kingsford Babin Newe and Nimpedi Funa the Ecosun.
Anyway, Ufim Rashi Bigafia now obey Nano and then Nansana, one of my former MMDCs, was sentimental my raise concerns be or no, or wanted to be a kind of service benefit be a so Monsaka. Me shows MPs the Monsaka Modia na more MMDCs will use so end of service benefit the leadership. Even our representative for Bahano was, not Subuni, about the leadership in Parliament today. Say more minority for I said. These are concerns. I say Muriz Monsaka Modi and I saw Modi, which is a Munka. Me sure some people as MMDC CDB so are confronted on this issue. So end of service benefit.
I think once in maybe now. Omokasi enka ho asema na kese enye no kre. No kwasem pa na say on Parliament Jumano ne ye stars kakra wa hwe ya onti de ye na se. Na ne bi wo han mo a ye ko ho a ye fa mabonti mo emeti. Ebi wo no ma ye no the committee of the whole. Once ye committee back one, ye nyina members. This is speaker pe na nkan. They friend the committee of the whole. Ne both majority and minority. Okay. Ye share interest of obia. Na ebi when we were to forcing maybe America said we were expecting him to be the best finance minister out on it, politicians or good relationship than any other.
No more expecting, and that's
we're expecting that. Okay. Expectation. Okay. Was so sure he was going to get because one is he has been a deputy minister of finance before.
Of course,
he has been in governance before. He has been in parliamentary governance before at the leadership level. And he has been the chairman of the finance committee. To him, Yakoso was a ranking of the committee. Only Yakoso, him the also but you who say or buy no. As I said, only parliament, only entire year be prepared. Only politicians. You who say he's trying to please the books, but practically, he is not working well.
At
yeah. Well, he's trying to please the books. The books
look good.
And and no, sometimes in political language, you can say you want to dress the window.
Okay.
With what dressing window, no, my window they look so nice. But inside I was and that is what is happening now. Because Okwa was a parliament. And maybe also maybe one more years been
sir.
Even
parliamentarians. But the be
members of parliament be one make us say Minister of Finance de Moka.
Okay.
The Moka more arrests or who we and our local elections that both majority and minority MPs in America. Ubo Tifie or what chases can be to force it also or to their connection next week. Every day be next month. He promised us to yen will be there.
Okay.
Oma untu years being and yintua skebia abide Kamika MPs any government appointees. Former government appointees.
Sure.
Which will be a sikamano by or before you be pass appropriation. And the budget no. They come up pan a year budget no.
Okay.
Here we now say pass appropriation. Near trains cannot have a catch as which you had appropriation and Monday which you are missing the interest can.
So
last week or say or 2 weeks ago, or say, we to arrest, we to end of the month. They be out. It is not that easy, and I think it's a problem. You know, say you confront it together, so that we address it frontal. Me believe in this. We have to address that issue frontal, and it should be across board. That's how I see things.
Anyway, but so I hope going forward, mobile addressing now, or my baby for
me boy, me GD you need to me no, but you become awesome. That is the only thing we can do. Kufudia, yami krumu hine.
Aye. Oh, in the back on our banner. Oh, who is our Baharos Anana? Name me MP Nebano. Aye, my better nature. You know, one more papa. Aye.
And I say the Chrome one and the new Kufudia.
Oh, okay.
So the Hona baby the new Kufudia.
Oh, okay.
Of Kufudia.
Oh, wow.
Because the Hona Kufudia no chako.
Okay.
And they make us anti ama and you will be on ma and can also get to be an intent. We're not getting it. And I blame Atufosin. And they is a minister for local government because it was said here,
of course.
But the point is that I can only blame the minister for local government outside say. But it shall tell me to be blamed because you're more catching ministers and come on near Bono, who was out to force or no or a force in power. Let me catch you. Well, about Parliament, I'm sure say you can't. Minister on your popular crowd by we at to force.
Oh, really?
I'm telling you.
Now on the outside, who's at all is really force.
Oh, no. When it Uber Parliament for MPs are ministers.
Okay.
ABC now say Minister Bena and then talk about on your business.
Oh, even on their side?
Let me catch you.
Really?
I'm talking about ministers.
Okay, ministers. Oh, yeah. People in their own government.
Oh, come on. They don't.
Is it that he's managing things tidily? I just
say, they think he's collapsing the government.
Really?
I'm telling you in confidence. We are some making me. I said, Minister Bia and the Kaya me to be car me carry from.
Oh, there be man.
No, I'm just telling you
okay.
For you to know how serious it is. They are all complaining. I'm not even complaining about it, but I'm catching. It's about committee be catching. If you jump to so, hey, because here you be to jump to so. Wow. Okay. Can you say if you jump to so because I didn't want man, and then you can't blame them. But the ministers don't want frustrated because they don't even have money to spend.
Of course.
One of the ministers was talking to me last week. Now, okay, say what I said the whole year, no last year, no say the man. I said, Murphy, let's go away. You in the edge and ministry na kesiesa na release the man. How can he
get to heavy?
I mean, see, and they are complaining into the question say, you know, say next time we the bomb.
Just for winning tonight.
Matthias share that me yes.
I'm with you.
And I was say yetimi omutimi ye neme ye na atofo to be etotunima. Akwai say opeso oma macroeconomic indicators say look so good.
Sure.
But the indicators look so good for the first time in the history of Ghana. Your inflation less than 5% you. And so when we're saying, and I'm going to talk Doctor Atinga Junction, Doctor Midi Atinga Junction, Doctor all right or
yeah,
all right. Metikwa na midi me kokro me do kwa. Na midi na midi do na mjara fra kwa said Doctor o hwa ya. Me be the Doctor o hwa ya. No bob na me say bo we Doctor we born na board. Doctor we board. Be say Doctor ya him. Be mo no. Hey, and I say, I'm saying, anyway, so on paper, no, he's doing well.
Sure.
The city is doing well to a dollar. GDP, interest rate, the policy, I mean, things are bad. But we have a problem. Because the system is not too good.
Sure.
Because a lot of
we need to trade.
Yeah, but finding out what's the feeling because me car minister and tiase or that or you say me hanagin.
Okay.
And I say well yes I drink the hand here you bo mine. And no you bo mine and also minister no you so money you to tunam. Tell me about any me and we any me ya na Ghana nyina nya ho fa so ayi nyina you what way.
Okay.
That is all that we are talking about.
Anyway, therefore, now so about Pahon Sema do nine. I will come to the entire mobile Kumasia. You are meeting the business community and then Uni Omudin. But before that, and let's do a little bit with governance and Sani Akurumna. There was a petitioner last year, a call to the presidency, seeing electoral commissioner, and the two deputies. And afi OSP and Felix Kwachufu Sudi Krata by as President His Excellency John Dramani Maze it is Krata Koma Chief Justice no or meant to be a prima facie case be and you so be any see the G a year Mami Jane Adukwe Mensa everywhere and then the two deputies no every honma I wouldn't be any missa Momotin. I mean I know some of you are the minority in there Namunum so they are honest Omobeko send ye my Chief Justice Square and almost were you surprised?
Later on, in Zomonko, Nim Zomonko, beginning Nim Zombeko.
Okay,
so now can send the Ghana Nibia Nim.
Sure,
but later we Nim Zomonko.
Are they?
Because who say, well, who a Transparency International for, in you know, the buy, no more report on the buy, Amnesty International for this last year report, bad damning. A government would do 1 year pay, 9 more pay 2 blacks are Transparency International. Amnesty International, almost paid to black in the intelligence community. And the key point at Transparency International for National Chief Justice.
Okay.
And it embarrassed the government. They didn't have the right to do that again. There's no sensible government. Now, your report need a good mass on international community. Who say what as the beacon of democracy in Africa? Who say we a voice when it comes to democracy in Africa? Near say who President Utubika say when you Chief Justice the fear. On a very flimsy, if anything, excuse I'm to be establish a prima facie against. So we knew it was not going to come to just like this. I was so sure. Said we are the reporter.
The outcome was going to be like this.
Yeah, I was so sure about that.
ABI truly there was nothing.
No, there were, come on, but they had a lot of. They said they claim. I mean, they claim they had a lot of evidence, information against these guys. Say, 1, 2, 3, say yes, sir. And that's how come they went to just push somebody to petition. We are not small boys.
They pushed people to petition.
Na politics. As a year, na no
sure.
Politics that no. And this for we are end of them because politics yeah, politicians we are bad. I mean bad. Until I say, politics there, no, you know,
Obi and you be
yeah, they game, see,
of course,
and then go for say, and now you are Bemuno, and go for say, Nana Momo Bemuna, Monfre, and this for the Momo Juma. I'm saying, you're politician, your rest level near pay, your rest level,
sure,
and your name, your near pay. Oh, and the politician so do bonia, near politicians and Unzapon,
yeah.
And everyone said, "You're a politician now. We are now just a one on the I'll use a minimum." I say, I just say, "You ain't gonna have open door catch a gun for say, me coffee beef, me say, and this is for a catch of say, oh, petition." No, I'm just asking you that. Who is a minimum?
So you know. That is the norm.
And I'm saying, who is a minimum? Say, Chief Justice or the President Bakushia, or President say, "But Bogu." Minim.
Okay.
And see, it is only for you to take yourself and laugh. Wow. We are saying. I mean, we are as a matter of fact, I believe that na anka one have by non-survival. Because still, next phase, you know now they don't have money to run the economy, and you almost first come with a beard yaba. Do face whether they like it or not, they have to start getting loans.
Sure.
Why that what they've got into now? That's what they want to do. Now, the community, on best support one of the things on which they support only just can go any man into the democratic system. Let's say they have to look at all these indicators. And I was Saki Justice Yaya. I want you wako Seki Solis ECOWAS court, and the name seem to be coming out say on Chedanya Bonibia Obwa. It is dangerous for our democracy if they had gone further to push these guys out and go back to them.
Anyway, Matia, 18 minutes.